right, guys, welcome to the first full week of May, the last month of our lovely school year. I hope you guys are doing well. Obviously, feel free to email me if you ever need anything. But let's just get started into lesson 1. So you'll see technically our week starts on Tuesday and goes through Friday. I am posting this on Monday for those of you that would like to get a head start and maybe take Friday off instead. Whatever works best for you, but it is set up to be a 4-day kind of work week. So in lesson 1, you're going to be kind of working with the differences between bacteria and viruses a little bit more, getting to know a little bit more about bacteria and getting to know a little bit more about viruses. So for the first part of it, you are going to be working with this bacteria reading. So as usual, you'll open it up, you'll click make a copy. We've done this so much now. You guys should be super comfortable with it. I'm hoping at this point. If you're not, it's okay to feel free to reach out to me. But once you open it, you'll see that it says bacteria reading. It's going to open up with some pictures once they start to load. But basically, your guiding questions for this reading, you're trying to learn, how do these organisms grow? How do bacterial cells create exact copies of themselves? And why is bacteria significant to our everyday lives? So that's kind of your guiding questions, what you should be able to answer once you're all done with this reading. Your directions, though, are to use the following colors to highlight. So you're going to use yellow to highlight important vocabulary or things that you think would be important. Highlight a main idea or two. I would pick each different section. I would pick a main idea in. So every section that's identified by a bold heading, highlight a main idea. And then important facts in purple for each paragraph. So definitely each section should have all 3 of these colors as you go through. So you're just reading about them, reading about how bacteria produce, reading about this really interesting and kind of gross bacteria down here, and then watching this really awesome video about, it'll take you once again to YouTube, and the video is going to cover the video will cover antibiotics and this idea of antibiotic resistance, which is really important for you guys to know, just in general, to be really awesome people. Once you're all done with that, you're going to share it as usual in this space, and you'll move on to the viruses worksheet. So we're just kind of going through each one of these things individually. You will open up the virus worksheet. It should make a copy for you as usual. And then for this one, you are going to read through the information up here about viruses. And then using the information, you're going to label the steps of an infection of a virus using the underlined words here in this paragraph. To do that, you'll want to double click on the image and it will open up the drawing so that you can kind of see that, so that you can type in these text boxes right here. And then once you're done typing in them, you'll hit save and close. And then you'll answer these 4 questions using the information above. And then you'll look at more of the virus actual structure, what we kind of call each part of a virus. And you're going to label and highlight the label using all of the different colors. So once again, you'll just double click on this, you'll label, and then you'll highlight the word using the different colors so that you can kind of color code what this virus is actually, like what the different parts of this virus are actually called. And then once you're all done, you'll click, I'll show this to you on this one, you'll click share. Anyone with the link can make sure you put comment and then copy link, and you'll paste the link in here. And then you have a really short video about your immune system to watch, and then you just kind of explain how your immune system works to the best of your understanding based on the video. And then you'll hit turn it in for lesson 1. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me.